Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the right tools for this maintenance task. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and some isopropyl alcohol with a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by turning off your PS5 controller and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, locate the screws on the back of the controller. There are 4 screws, 2 near the top and 2 at the bottom. Carefully use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently separate the front and back halves of the controller. Be cautious, as there are some clips that may resist. If you feel any resistance, don't force it. Instead, work your way around until the halves come apart. Now that you have access to the internal components, take a moment to inspect everything. Dust and debris can accumulate inside, affecting performance. Use the microfiber cloth slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the circuit board and any other visible components. This will help maintain optimal performance. If you notice any signs of wear on the buttons or analog sticks, consider replacing them. Replacement parts can be easily sourced online. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help identify the issue without any commitment. After cleaning and inspecting, it's time to reassemble the controller. Align the front and back halves carefully, making sure all clips are securely fastened. Reinsert the screws in their original positions, tightening them just enough to hold everything together without over-torquing. Now, let's discuss some additional maintenance tips. Regularly clean the exterior of your controller with a microfiber cloth to prevent grime buildup. Also, consider using protective silicone covers to keep it in pristine condition. If you ever feel overwhelmed by maintenance tasks, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Finally, after reassembly, power on your PS5 controller and test all the buttons and sticks to ensure they are functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We can provide a quote before any repair work begins, ensuring you know the costs up front. With these steps, your PS5 controller will be well maintained, enhancing your gaming experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.